Welcome guys to our channel. This is a new vlog we would like to share today. We went to a great Indian restaurant in Berlin. It's authentic Indian food. We found like after 4 years of living in Germany, and we really resonated with the food. It's really interesting and very tasty. And by the time you see the video is going to end, you will see what are the foods we ordered, how we like felt about the ambience and everything. So be with us. And if you are new in the channel, please subscribe to our channel for more information about Germany and all over the travels, food we make and everything. And now the thing you are seeing is the a hall and entrance of the Hotel Eldon. This is a very famous five-star hotel in Berlin. It's in the like great location. It's in the center of the city, and the entrance of the restaurant is actually through the hotel. So we actually got to explore a lot of hotel part as well. We haven't expected that. So you see that we were walking a lot via the corridors and the seminar halls from the hotels. And I guess in some time I felt it was 1 kilometer of walking, and then we finally reached to the entrance of the restaurant. So finally we reached to the entrance of the restaurant. You see it's a other part of the hotel. There is a very great, I would say, architecture with the marble, and in the night time it will be all enlightened with the very different lights. This is the entrance of the restaurant, and you need at least a negative corona test or vaccination certificate which is 14 days old to enter into the restaurant, and it's better or it's recommended to make a reservation. And we are inside of the restaurant. We got a table of two and the decorative plates written India Club, and I'm showing the other parts of the restaurants like the interiors, the tables, decorations and everything. It feels really nice. The environment is nice, ambience is nice. We had I would say very positive feeling about the restaurants when we entered, and also yeah, after the food as well. This is a non-alcoholic drink with pomegranate and basil seed. It name has pink pearls. Very tasty, must try. Then we had a spicy guave. It's a little bit of spicy thing, not sweet, but with guava and pudina, so it was also nice. We got complimentary papad and chutney. This is very common in restaurants of Germany. It's a general thing, I would say. This is prawn kolivara, a starter. If you are a prawn lover, it's a must try. As we are non-vegetarian, so we ordered a platter. This has four type of I would say starters. They are all very tasty. After that we were full. We ordered a traditional style kulfi. It was a day of the, I would say, flavor of the day, mango and kesar pista kulfi. Okay, I would say Now you can see off the camera how I enjoyed the food. So guys, it was a pleasant experience for both of us. We recommend you to check out the restaurants and try the foods of that restaurants, and they are really authentic. We tried only non-vegetarian items, but the veg items are also good as per the other reviews from the internet. This is it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for new notifications. Thank you. See you in the next video.